I've been talking a lot about a new product from Shoreline, Incident Insights, a free reporting tool to understand what's been going on. Let me talk about the first time we introduced it to one of our customers during our beta. He's always used to tell us, hey, I really don't have that many incidents. So he gave us the API key to his PagerDuty account. In a couple of minutes, he saw that in the prior week, he'd had literally 2,100 incidents. So he had thought he'd had 100. So there's a big gap between those. And the reason for that gap is that a lot of what his team was dealing with was just noisy alarms. And the fact is that any given company, probably about half, maybe more, another company I'm working with, it's like 80% of your alarms are noisy. That's why your employees have alert fatigue. You're training them that when an alarm comes in to just click it and close it. You think your job's done. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. And, they're just hitting a snooze button effectively. So wouldn't it be better if you had a product that told you exactly everything that happened in the last week? If the mean time to resolution is really short, that means someone just clicked OK to close it out. That means that you probably need to go work on that alarm. Maybe get rid of it. Maybe change the threshold. Maybe use Shoreline to actually act as the recipient to the alarm and take the basic high-level alarm, like, for example, CPU is high. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. And, convert it to a precise alarm. Like, CPU is high, but, the input request rate's also high. And the latency is not changing. Okay, the system's operating great. I should just close it, not involve a human at all. Or maybe CPU is high and it's the JVM process and it's garbage collecting. And so therefore I should collect a heap dump and bounce the pot and still not wake anybody up. Or maybe CPU is high and I have no idea why, but it's in this particular system and I should, alert just this individual person and maybe give them a notebook that tells them, all of the diagnostics that I've run in advance so that they don't have to redo that work and they can investigate, using their brain power on the novel thing that seems to be occurring. So, but in all cases where you should start is by reducing noise, by changing alarm thresholds. Can't be too low, can't be too high. Getting rid of alarms that don't do anything for you. And then, trying to make your alarms precise by combining metrics and logs and system state to figure out what's going on. And in the cases where someone's just following a repetitive formula, getting rid of it through automation. Back at AWS, I used to get a report every week from my team on all the incidents from the prior week to do exactly this work. But honestly, it took them a long time to generate. And so I'm really happy that now people can get the same value for free and without any effort.